Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderfully relaxing world of knitting, perfect for beginners. If you've admired cozy sweaters and thought, I wish I could make that, you're in the right place. Knitting is a fantastic and therapeutic hobby. Let's get started. First, you'll need knitting needles, yarn, and scissors. Knitting needles come in various sizes, so choose one suitable for your yarn. Beginner-friendly yarns are usually thicker, as they are easier to handle and see stitches. Look for soft, smooth yarns made of wool or acrylic. Scissors are for cutting the yarn. Next, the basics knit and purl stitches. The knit stitch is the foundation of many projects, and is relatively easy to learn. Insert the right needle into the first stitch on the left needle. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull the yarn through. Slip the old stitch off, and you've made a knit stitch. The purl stitch is the reverse, creating a different texture. To purl, insert the right needle into the front of the stitch from right to left. Wrap the yarn around the right needle, and pull it through. Then slip the old stitch off. Now, let's cast on. Casting on creates the first row of stitches. The long tail cast on is popular for beginners. Create a slip knot, place it on one needle, and leave a long tail of yarn. Hold the needle with the slip knot in your right hand. Loop the yarn over your thumb and index finger. Bring the needle under your thumb's loop, then over the index finger's loop, and pull the yarn through. Slip the new stitch onto the needle. Repeat this until you have the desired number of stitches. Once cast on, start knitting. Knit across all stitches using the knit stitch. When you reach the end, turn your work and knit across again. This creates garter stitch, a great choice for beginners. You can also alternate knit and purl stitches. Continue knitting until your project reaches the desired length. When finished, you'll need to cast off. Knit 2 stitches, then pass the first stitch over the second stitch. Repeat this until one stitch remains. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail, and pull the tail through the last stitch to secure. Weave in your ends to tidy up. There are many beginner-friendly projects to choose from. A simple scarf is perfect. Make a rectangular garter stitch scarf and experiment with different colors. Another great project is a dishcloth or a simple beanie hat. With practice, you'll be able to create more complex projects. Don't be discouraged if you make mistakes. Just unravel the stitches and start again. Knitting gets easier with practice. Find tutorials online or in local yarn stores. Enjoy creating something beautiful with your own hands. Happy knitting!